What are these? Are these new wagons? What color are these, Huds? Yeah.
Let's go see the combine.
You want to go see the combine?
Come on.
Let's go this way.
What are these?
These are hitch pins.
From the tractor?
Yeah.
Let's go. This way. Let's go.
Yep, let's go. I think Daddy got the combine dirty. Really dirty. Hey Huds, what is this? It is, isn't it? Hi. Start of harvest 2021. First cab corn of the year. Very first binful too. It's either good or bad luck. Filled up faster than I thought. Okay. Now that the field is opened up some, I'll go get my wagons because, yeah, gotta be full or need to dump. A little excited. Jeff watches this, yeah. Can't believe I overflowed the bin on the first load of the year, but you know, I'll chalk it up for yields exceeding expectations. Something like that. But gonna try to do as much as I can today while I'm off from work, because I don't know, they keep changing the forecast and really not sure what to expect. Hoping and praying that it will be good, but got my, I guess I didn't do a video really on it yet, so I will turn the camera around here. Woo! So I got my 5 wagons. For those that aren't on Instagram, you may say 5, but yep, I was able to locate a pretty good deal in southern Indiana to get a couple more wagons. So I'll do a full walk around later, but for the time being, keys. Oh, they're already in there. Get them going. First unload of the year. That's a 419 wet bushel. I don't know if that's the case, but I mean for Enrose 146, I'll take that. Hopefully it goes up more. I would assume so. This is my grain tank full. A lot of corn. Try to get some talking in this one. So far about 15, almost 16 acres in on the first day of combining. So far, so good. I'll take it. Yield is looking good. Hopefully that continues. I mean, considering I've never seen numbers that high on this field, I'm really happy about it. The first set of wagons that got taken in were at 20.44% moisture and 54.5 test weight, so I'll take that. But so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing. It's harvesting good, harvesting well. So gonna see how much I can take off today. Can't quite make down and back, but I'm okay with that. I'll take the yields any day. Time to move the wagon and not fall down. Those two are full. My mom is currently at the feed mill. Knock on wood, going well. Get to use my dad's truck just to shuttle some empty wagons around. Nothing when it's full. It's about, I don't know. I guess I don't have a time. I think it's almost 9:30 at night. It's been a great day. No bad reason of why it's this late. Was able to help my mom, or my mom helped me out by getting Hudson today, and then I took a load in right before the elevator closed, and yeah, combined my little guy's field, and then put him to bed, and decided to come back out, gonna load up, so all the wagons will be full tonight. I'll try to put 2 in the barn. One has a tarp, and then 2 will just have to sit outside. The forecast doesn't look overly promising the next couple days, so yeah, it's just going to be one of those that hope and pray that the rain actually holds off and they can continue to combine, because right now I'm at 34 acres plus another 6 of this 45, so I'm really down to about 5 acres left. By my estimate, maybe 2 more trips into town if we get this property done with, so we'll see how it goes. Overall, still yielding really well. I'm really happy. Moisture I'm happy with, test weight I'm happy with, so I pray the rest of the fields are like this.